Hello, my lovely friends. Here's my cameraman, Jelio. This is me, Tsetsi, and we're here at our other Bulgarian hotel, the new one. Let me show it to you. This is, what's the name of this hotel, Jelio? What is it?
I think it will be advertised.
Oh, okay, never mind
but
then.
they do not want to make.
No, they don't want advertisement. So it's basically on this street, the Sofia street. It is a popular street near the center. Actually, the center is right in that direction. It's very near the walking street Vitoshka. I've already taken you there before, so I'm just gonna take you inside this hotel and show you what is up with that. Jelio, do you want to go ahead? This is the reception area. We have a big, again, it's a communist hotel, so you gotta understand this. It's a big mosaic a la commie style. Right here as well. Surprise, surprise. We have a flute player and a, what is this? What are these creatures? Jelio, what is that?
They are drinking wine, I think.
And we have beautiful artwork. Some
Yeah, because there is
charcoal.
this.
So these are winemakers.
These are girls, not trainees. Original
Women.
real.
When you have a woman, and you don't put an S at the end. You say women.
Women.
Yeah. So Jelio is still trying to learn proper English because he's switching his channel over to an English-speaking channel, English language channel. So that's why I'm going to push him to correct his English. I hope you like my jewelry today. Jelio, do you want to show us your jewelry? Where's your cool medallions? Crazy cool medallions.
I don't have.
So, Jelio doesn't wear jewelry. We're going up through the staircase. And right here we have a very mysterious luggage area where you can dump your luggage while you're waiting for your train to come or your bus.
They're Kurkuma people.
Oh, that's the Kurkuma restaurant? Oh my god. That restaurant was so smelly, guys. All night I couldn't sleep because of the smell. Anyway.
Here is my camera. Here. Yeah.
Is that your camera?
In my bag. It's
No.
full with cameras.
Is that because you're my cameraman? So, and right here is the restaurant people eating their curry stuff, because this is a curry house of some kind. And the flooring is atrocious. It's really, really bad. The whole hotel is just, it's bad every time. But at least their internet is good this time, right? They have a better internet
We don't
connection.
use their internet connection.
Yes, we do. I used it. Look at this. How nice is that? And then last time we had a cleaning lady smoking in her cleaning lady room. And we had to complain. And of course she stopped, but the smell kept lingering. And now we're headed to our hotel room before we leave. I'm here for the show. And the show is finished. It's over. So it's my time to go home. Home, sweet home. There's a lady cleaning a room. It's not our room though. This time me and the cameraman are sharing a room together because, why is that, Julio? Why do we have to share a room this time?
It's not my fault this time.
And what do you mean by that?
So this is the key. I'm also the key holder.
Yes, you are. You're Saint Peter with the big keychain.
Welcome.
Thank you. Nice and sunny. Oh, Jesus. So here's my bed. Here's my windowsill. This is typical block. We call it a block. And a block is just an apartment building. Look at it. It's just an apartment building where people live. And oh, we've got a nice mirror. And Julio, do you want to?
What?
I don't know if you.
What? What?
How do you film like this? Ah, okay. Here we go. So I'm getting ready to change into my everyday clothes. Actually, no. We're actually going to pack because they're kicking us out of the hotel because it's 12 o'clock already. Yeah?
Yeah.
So shall we end the vlog and pack? And then we're gonna tune in again from the restaurant.
I think you will make another video in the restaurant.
At the restaurant, make another video. Okay. Well, oh, this is quite nice. Look at the lighting and stuff. This is a very peach color room. And let me show you the bathroom. Well, let me show you the room while we're still here. Oh yeah, this was my outfit. This is my full outfit. Let me show you. And the pantyhose, but you can kind of see my pantyhose line, but that's okay. You couldn't see it during the show. And here's all my outfits that I should have worn or would have worn had I not picked this dress. The producer told me this dress is like really etheric. He said, "Oh, your dress is so etheric." And he was a man. So then, and of course, I've got, like, I'm so sweaty right now. You can see the big sweat. Like, oh my God, I'm so sweaty. And this is my other outfits. Let me show you. So I have the exact same dress like this. I don't know why I have two of them. Somebody like was selling them at a discount and I bought a whole bunch and I didn't realize I was buying the same dress twice. So this right here is another cool dress I could have worn. And it's basically a silk tunic. This is real silk. See? Right there. It's real natural silk. And this is the back of it. It's open back. And let me show you what else I have here. This is my Zara collection shirt from London. I could have worn this as well, but I figured I need to be like next level slutty for this show. So that's what me and my cameraman say. Let's slutty me up. And because all the shows like women who are made up like I am right now. And this was another dress. Yeah, exactly, like me. And I didn't wear that one because it was too shabby, too plain. not enough colors. And let me show you just one more, just a few more outfits actually. This is my pile of pantyhose, different color pantyhose. I was gonna wear like maybe a purple one or a fuchsia pink. This is my jewelry right there. Oh, what are these people doing here? Are they eating right beneath our hotel room? Jesus.
Also smoking.
Oh my God.
Drinking.
Have they no shame?